Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the hot dog filter on Snapchat. And then once you have the filter on Snapchat, you can go ahead and post it onto TikTok or Instagram or any other social media platform that you would like to post it on. Now, to get this filter, all you have to do is click on the link I have in the description as well as in the comment section down below. And then it'll bring you over to this website right here. All you want to do at that point is just click on open in Snapchat and then open. And then it will unlock the lens for 48 hours. So you can just click on unlock for 48 hours. And then once you put your face on here, this is what the filter will look like. So you can go ahead and record a video of yourself, just like this. And then you could obviously just save it to your camera roll if you would like to, or that's how you're going to post it to other social media platforms, because if you save it to your camera roll, you can go ahead and post a video from your library on those other social media platforms to post it on there. Otherwise, you can just send it to any of your friends on here. Very, very simple and easy to do. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.